Structure and organize your content by adding modules and submodules to your course. This tutorial shows how to add modules and submodules to your course. To add a module to your course, from Content in the Table of Contents panel, click Add a Module. Enter a name for the module, and press Enter or click outside the field. The module displays on the canvas. Click Add Dates and Restrictions. To edit availability and locking details. For this example, this module will remain always available. Click Cancel. To provide learners with a summary of what is included in the module, click Add a Description. Enter your description. When you are ready, click Update. Submodules give your course another level of organization. To add a submodule, click Add a Submodule. Enter a name, and press Enter or click outside the field. The submodule appears on the canvas, nested beneath the module. Add modules and submodules to your course to structure and organize your content.